Sending virtual birthday cards is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can send virtually birthday cards. So in order to do that, you need to design a card first. So how can you design that? For that, you have to be at the Google and you need to search for Canva. And now you have to go to this website, which is canva.com. Now, Canva is a graphic designing website or a graphic designing tool, which lets you, design graphics with ease. So you just need to, log into the Canva. After logging into the Canva, you simply have to, select any of the template. You can search for birthday cards as well. Let's suppose I want to, design the birthday card, and I will, search for birthday, and I will be able to see these templates which I can use easily. So if I click on see all, I just have to select the right birthday template, and after that I will easily be able to edit it. So you just need to, have premium in order to use this. There will be free as well. So you just need to design a card, and you can, send it through WhatsApp or any other source of, a medium with which you talk to him or the next person who you want to send the birthday card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.